There is the youngest delta wetland of Great River in the world here, the mother river of the Chinese nation. The Yellow River ends up in the ocean here. There is the oldest stratum in China here. Mount Tai, raised 2.5 billion years ago, is the World Nature and Cultural Heritage Site to represent the Chinese people's desire for peace and prosperity. It is the hometown of the holy sage Confucius here. The Confucianism of harmony and kindness represents the best traditional culture of the Chinese nation. It is Shandong, China here. On the wealthy land, there is a beautiful city nearby the mountain and the sea, which never changes its name in the past 2,000 years. Its name is Jimo. The local opera, Liu, Tianhengxi Sacrificial Ceremony, Jimo Rice Wine, Jimo Lace, Ge Village Kezi, and Majestic Cliffs Garrison are the unique culture symbols. In the present Jimo, the cutting-edge marine technology, intelligent manufacturing, industrial internet, and other modern technologies are merging with the ancient culture to become the new window for global connection and bright future. In 2021, there will be the 20th anniversary for ABU Robocon in Jimo. In the ancient China, people become adult at the age of 20 and perform the capping ceremony. Many celebration activities are organized, including the tohu with the high popularity. Tohu is derived from the ancient archery in China. Arrows are thrown into wine pot for archery simulation to amuse guests and exercise etiquette, representing the Chinese people's spiritual pursuit of etiquette. The old game, with a history of over 2,000 years in China, will go through time and space to release the splendor of the age in Jimo. Because the theme of the competition in the 20th anniversary of ABU Robocon is Tohu by Robots. The game is between red and blue teams. Each team has a throwing robot TR and a defensive robot DR. The game lasts 3 minutes at most. By an octagon baffle in the center, the game field is divided into inner area and outer area. These are inner and outer areas for the red team. These are inner and outer areas for the blue team. These are the start zone for the robots TR and DR. This is the arrow rack. 5 arrows can be arranged on it. There are total 5 pot tables in red and blue inner areas. 1 red pot and 1 blue pot are set on each table, and they belong to red team and blue team respectively. 2 first-type tables are set in the red and blue inner areas, 1 in each area. 3 pot table spots are arranged at the border between red and blue inner areas. 2 second-type tables fix in 2 sides, and 1 third-type table in the middle. The second-type and third-type tables can rotate under pushing from the robot DR. The 2 robots TR and DR of each team enter into their starting zones respectively, and the game is about to begin. After TR starts from its start zone, it can only run in its team's outer area, and entering the inner area is not allowed. But after DR starts, it can get in or out of the inner area at any time arbitrarily. TR can only be in the outer area and throw arrow to the pot on the table. If it throws 1 arrow into a pot, it must throw next arrow to another pot. After throwing all arrows it carries, it can take the arrows from its arrow rack, 5 at a time. DR can enter into its team's inner area, but can't throw arrow into any pot. It can turn the pot table to prevent the arrow thrown by opponent from entering the pot. DR can wave arrow to intercept arrows which the opponent team throws to the second type or third type table to prevent the opponent from scoring. And it can also pick up the arrows on the ground and deliver them to the outer area or TR. Also, it can return into the outer area to throw arrows into the pots. Who will win the game? Let's wait and see. If 1 arrow is in a team's any pot, the team earns 1 point. If 2 arrows are in a team's any pot, called as winning, the team earns 4 points. Multiple twinning in a pot is allowed. In the game, if a team achieves twinning in its own 5 pots, then the team achieves great victory and the game will finish immediately. If neither team gets the great victory, the team with more points wins. We look forward to wonderful Tohu competition in August 2021 in Jimo, China.